Hey guys, it's Gina and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are doing a first impressions on this whole look that I got, and I also have some great news. If you guys want to enter the giveaway, I'll have a picture of what the giveaway looks like right here. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment anything you want down below. I will put in the description box. Those rules again, I will be picking them through a random name generator, so a random person will get picked. And I will let you guys know by next Thursday who won. I will message the person. So also leave me your Instagram down below so that I can message you and let you know if you won. So if you can do that, that'd be sweet. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Like this video and hit that notification bell so you know that every time I upload a video. And let's get right on into this first impressions. Alright, so the first thing we're going to go in with is this Stellar Brilliant Primer. This is what it looks like. This is a sample size, got it in an Ipsy bag. And I know Stellar is like pretty popular because I think it's sold in Sephora. So we're going to give it a shot. So this is the primer that we are going to use. This is what it looks like, and we're just going to apply it and see how it goes. Alright, first impressions right now is it feels very silicone-y. And this is just called the Brilliant Primer. So I don't know if I will truly enjoy this primer. We'll have to see how it goes because I don't like silicone-y primers. They're not really meant for my skin type because I have super dry skin. So we're gonna see how this goes, and I'm gonna get a close-up of my mirror. It's silicone-y, but it's not filling in fine lines or anything like that. So alright, so the beauty blender we are using is from Tarte. This is what it looks like. The only thing I don't like about it right now is that it has sparkles on it. That's super annoying. So what we're going to be going in with is Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. This is in a sample size. I got this in an Ipsy bag as well. And this is in the shade 1W2 So Sand. The only thing I don't like about this so far from when I was looking at it is the bottle. Because you have to pour it out yourself. So we're going to apply this. This is probably not really going to be my shade. Oh, it's not bad. But you know, they don't know your shade. They're literally just guessing. This is a pretty light coverage from what I can tell. And then the only thing I'm not liking about this beauty blender right now is that this is the bottom and this is the top. So I'll be using it for concealer and foundation. And I like to use two different ends for that spectrum. So we're just going to see how it lasts. And then for concealer, we're going to be going in with the Amazonian Clay Waterproof 12-Hour Concealer. And this is by Tarte. This is in the shade Fair because it is the only color I have of it. And I've tried this without foundation on, but I want to try it with makeup on and see how it looks. We're just applying it where we apply my concealer, and then where we are taking the Morphe M536 brush, and we're blending it out that way because I think a brush just works easier with concealer sometimes. Alright, so far it just looks like this concealer is blending in smoothly. We need to apply a little bit more because it's not super full coverage in like the corners where like I get super purple. And normally we would apply some on the eyelids, but I'm actually using a eyeshadow base today, so we're not putting that on our lids. And then I'm going to be setting it with the Mercier setting powder. I used to use this and then I stopped, so we're going to give it another try and see how I feel about it. We got it off and we're gonna Using this brush, this is a Luxie 650 brush. This is a precision foundation brush, and this is what we're gonna be using. And we're literally just packing that underneath the eye and on top of the eye because I want to set it like I normally do, and then underneath the eye, and then we're just gonna take it and apply it all over. So next we're gonna be going into bronzer, so that's what I use, and we're using a new brush as well. This is the Morphe times Jaclyn Hill. This is the JH02 brush, and we're gonna be going in with the Smashbox HOLIDAZE palette, and we're gonna be going in the contoured shade and the bronzing shade. So for contouring, I'm gonna be using this brush. This is the Morphe R14, and this is the contour shade, so we're gonna use that first and see how it goes. Comes with a mirror, but you know, I use my big mirror instead. Holy crap, that's pigmented. So we're applying this to where my shadow of my cheek is, which is right underneath here. So this is a nice little contour color. I'm enjoying that for sure. And we're gonna be going in with my Jaclyn Hill brush. We're gonna be going into that bronzing shade right here. And we're gonna see how this goes. This is oh my goodness. For bronzing, they're not wrong. Using a big brush is nice. Holy crap. But this bronzer, you know what we do, we fix it up when it looks a little orange. This bronzer's it. This is a, ooh. I like that a lot. Alright, and then for blush, we're going in with the Becca Flower Child blush. Look at this. This is literally just so amazing and beautiful. And we're going in with the Morphe E4 brush. And when you apply blush, like, smile a little bit so that it literally is being fixated on the apples of your cheeks, mostly. Plus, to spray. We're gonna be trying out the Too Faced Shadow Insurance. But I see a lot of people doing the setting powder on their eyes instead of trying the tape, so we're gonna try that as well. This is what this looks like. We're just gonna apply this with our finger. Alright, so it feels a little tacky. We are using the Morphe Social Butterfly palette. This is what it looks like. We're gonna go into lightly is Light Graham right here, because this will be a great transition shade, I believe, because it's a little like orangey, but like, it's literally, they don't give us so much transition shades in here, so. Just from first thoughts, this is very powdery in the pan, and not much is coming on the brush. Right, so next we're gonna be going in with the shade Add right here. And just applying that more on, okay, this shade is more pigmented. Alright, next we're gonna be going in with the shade Meme Girls, which is this shade right here. It's a green. I say why not and go for it, so. And we're really getting this on the brush. Point out, we're literally just going to be focusing on one eye, and then I'll finish the other eye off camera. Not at all what I originally thought it was going to be, but I'm not mad at it. I actually do really like it, so. And then we are going to take that brush that has nothing on it and blend it out. And then we're going to be going in with off camera in the outer corner, just the tiniest bit, like literally just a little bit, and this is just a black. But like just a little bit to like kind of darken it up, but like not too much. Alright, and we're going to be going in with the shade Now Trending. And we're just going to be using our finger and applying that onto our lid. But first we're going to try to cut the crease with this. It's just not as pigmented. That works. We're going in with that shade. We're now trending, and we are applying it to the lid. So next we're going to be doing winged eyeliner. We're going to be trying the Tarte eyeliner in Maneater, and we're just going to line and for eyebrows, we're going in with the Brow Definer by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I've never really used the Brow Definer, so we're going to try it out as the thicker end. This is the eyeliner from Sugar in the shade Green Light, because it's literally green, and we're going to put that on the lower lash line. And the mascara we are trying is the YSL, the Shock Mascara. I know, got my little travel size. Alright, and the last thing we have to do is highlighter. We're going to be using the Northern Lights palette by Jeffree Star. We're going to go in with the shade Alaskan Ice. So we got this green vibe going on. Ooh, love it. Alright, so now that I have all of my makeup applied and everything on, let's go one by one through what I think this was, like what's good and what wasn't. The Stellar Beauty Primer, not a big fan of because it's silicone-y, can't stand silicone-y. Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation, I'm probably going to get the big bottle of it because I like it, it's really nice. Laura Mercier Setting Powder, no, still not for me. Tarte Amazonian Clay Concealer, freaking love this. This is amazing. Smashbox HOLIDAZE Bronzer and Contour, freaking love. Like the best my bronzer has looked, to be honest. The blush by Becca, love. Eyeshadow by Morphe, freaking awesome and amazing. It was very easy to work with, which I was very worried with because I did go for the darker colors. The eyeshadow primer though, I don't know if I would use. I'd rather just use my concealer or foundation or my MAC Painterly Paint Pot, to be honest. Highlighter palette by Jeffree Star, you know, is bomb and amazing. The Maneater eyeliner by Tarte is very nice to work with. I just forgot that it is a regular brush. Like it's a brush tip, not a felt tip, and I'm used to using a felt tip now. The brow definer, loved. It was very easy to do my brows. It literally took me like 2 seconds, which was amazing. The YSL Shock mascara though, no. It didn't really do anything for my eyes, to be honest. That Sugar eyeliner I really liked and enjoyed. And I'm pretty sure that's all it. So those are my first impressions of this stuff. I will see you guys on Sunday. Don't forget to enter the giveaway and do everything down below. I'll have everything written in the description down below if you want to know. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, click that notification bell so that you know every time that I upload a video. And I will see you guys on Sunday. Bye guys.